So, hey guys, it's me Jozie.
And I'm Vlad.
And today we're gonna present you with 6 tips for
mobile photography.
Yes, so
Here we go.
hi guys, it's Jozie and
I'm Vlad.
So this is Mobile Photography 101. Okay, let's go. So, hey guys, for today we're gonna be doing the Mobile Photography 101. So,
And we'll be using my phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy J5.
so that phone has really low specs, you know, the camera isn't that great and all, but with the tips that we're gonna show you, we're gonna help you level up your photography skills.
It can give you self-confidence and you may post good quality pictures in Instagram or Facebook.
So let's go. So tip number 1, get perspectives that people don't see every day. So for example, this is that people don't usually go near a corner of a building and then just look up from there because they don't usually do that. So what you do is you take a picture of that angle and then it will be something interesting to people since they don't see it every day, right, Vlad?
Yeah.
So another example is when you kneel down in a garden with a lot of flowers or a lot of plants, then you take that pic and then people don't usually lie down on that ground and then just look at plants like that. So people will be amazed at how interesting your picture is.
Tip number 2, get low and get in close. In mobile photography, you should kneel down and go lower because it will be much more easier to focus a certain object using low and close style. Yeah, that's it. Just like taking a picture of a flower in your garden, Jozie have said. Yeah, it will be more nicer and it is not familiar to everyday people's
Yes,
perspective.
so this connects with tip number 1, right? So another thing, since smartphones are very small and very portable, so you can get into spaces where it's really hard to get into, right?
Yeah.
So
that's that.
yeah, so that's tip number 2. Guys, today we will be going to Fort San Pedro, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so Vladymir just finished his cup of milk.
Yeah, just
Okay,
perhaps.
okay. So we'll be going to Fort San Pedro. We're gonna get back to you really soon.
Arrived here in Cebu.
Yeah, so we're currently at what we call this Pier Tres. So right now we're gonna head to Fort San Pedro, but we actually don't know where to go.
I was actually going to comment about the other this but
Okay, so if you want some comments about Pinterest, so feel free to PM us or subscribe. Yeah, so subscribe right below. Yeah, so we'll notify you when we get to Fort San Pedro, and hopefully we will. So bye for now. Bye. Hi guys,
We just arrived here at Fort San Pedro.
Yeah, so it took us a long time to get here because we
We
didn't
walked.
know where to go. So as you can see, if we translate that, that says Fort San Pedro, right? Vlad?
We've walked about 0.6 kilometers.
Yes, 0.6 kilometers.
Yeah.
That's really far, dude. And yeah, so I guess we're gonna go in and then
Take some few shots for
for our tips, and then after that we're gonna head out, right? So okay, let's go in. Tip number 3 is to use the rule of thirds, right, Vlad? Yeah. So the rule of thirds will enable you to have the rule of thirds uses a grid line. So in order for you to be able to use the grid line, you have to activate it first in your phone settings by doing this. So, and then after that, then you can align your subject with one of the intersections of the grid lines for you to be able to have a good composition of your subject, right, Vlad?
Yeah, it's also good for taking what do you call it, dead.
Oh yeah, it's
Dead
also
center.
good. Yes. If you want your subject to be placed in the dead center, like in the center of your image, then you can use the grid line as a guide for you to be able to place the subject in the center. So yeah, that's tip number 3.
Tip number 4, spend time in scouting location. You should spend time in walking and looking around just to find a good object or subject to take a picture. And just, we don't know, while taking up birds in that area, while not exploring the other one, you might miss a dragon. And that's tip number 4. Tip number 5, test multiple angles. You should test multiple angles. Maybe it's more handsome in a side view, or front, or another view, or in the back part. Yeah, that's why you should take different angles to know which one is better. And working on that.
So you can also take like top-down shots or like the worm view angle.
Or bird's perspective.
Yes, bird's eye perspective, worm's eye perspective, not worm's view angle.
Same.
So it's basically the same. So that's tip number 5. Tip number 6. So edit and don't filter, right, Vlad?
I don't know. yeah, cross.
So because I see a lot of people who take really good shots with really good angles, good compositions, and everything like that. But at the end of the day, they apply the generic Instagram filter. So what makes it unique, right? Like you're just posting whatever like everybody else is posting, right? So always edit and don't filter, because filter ruins your images, right? Right, Vlad?
It might be a perfect shot, but because of filter, it might ruin the entire mood of this video.
Yeah. So another thing, if you want to be flexible with your color grading, or maybe flexible and maybe you don't have money for like an editor, so we suggest Snapseed by Google, and we also have Lightroom by Adobe. So you can choose either one. Adobe is not free, but I think you can use it for free, but you will be limited to certain.
You can pirate.
No, it's not an option. So, and you can also use Snapseed, which you can download on the Play Store, right? Down in the description below.
It's just only for free.
Yes, Snapseed is for free. So that's tip number 6, and that's everything we have to give you for the tips. 6 tips in mobile photography. So I hope that you will apply all these 6 tips and maybe up your Instagram game.
And it will be helpful in your future careers if you want to take up as a photographer. Yeah, it will be so helpful.
Or maybe even a filmmaker, right?
Yeah.
So
That's all.
that's all, and goodbye.
Bye guys.